You're on the Off-Road Dad YouTube channel. G'day guys, still going on the car. Yeah, so bit of an update. So the bull bar's been resprayed. It's nice fresh coat. All the front members been sprayed, and we just gave it a light sand for clear coat. Same with in here in the engine bay. So the plan today is to get the engine bay and bull bar all clear coated, and then it's on to the harness. Tidy that up. Some of these wires are getting pulled because I'm running a new setup with aux beam, so it's way less wiring. Yeah, getting there. Oh, and motor should arrive this week. So hey, finally got me motor back from G&L. Can't wait. G'day guys, back at it again. Yeah, while I was pulling all the electrical apart, lucky I did. Nearly had a couple of rub throughs, especially on the winch, on the positive, and where they were all taped together, they were rubbing against each other, and if it was left much longer, yeah, they would have rubbed through. So I'm putting some split tube on them all to look after them. And I'm not sure where I'm going to mount that yet. I think I'm going to tuck it away inside the bull bar somewhere. Today's pretty much harness day, so getting some of this and fleece tape. I've been tidying up all the cables, making sure everything's covered so that you can't get any rub throughs, and also got some of this edging to do all around the sharp edges, so make sure there's nothing can get cut. The airbox, she's all cleaned up. We haven't bolted it in yet, but just sitting there, so it's gonna look pretty schmick. Got that. And yeah, I'm just getting rid of this crappy stuff here and just rewrapping it, and then it's onto the main harness. Go through that, tidy it all up, clean it up, bolt in the rest of the ECU and overflow bottle and bits and pieces, and then it's brand new heat shielding, the alloy heat shielding to go in there. That's all. Since last time, the bull bar's been painted. It's all painted now, looks like brand new. All the engine bay's been clear coated, a couple of coats. Yeah, getting there, so it won't be long before it starts going together, but I'll keep doing videos, keep you up to date. That's about it for now.